Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today I wanted to do a holiday inspired video. I've only done like one so far, like a holiday makeup look, but today I wanted to do another one. Not as dramatic but still popping, I feel like. And I also wanted to show you guys some new products that I got from Makiage. They just launched their holiday collection, so let me go ahead and show you guys how those look. This is so heavy, guys. This is so heavy. So this is the holiday collection one, and this one says I am the gift. Alright, I think that's just so cool. This is just a nice packaging. I've seen clutches like this, like purses like this. Like you could wear this all like legit. Like, before I jump into that, I wanted to show you guys the concealer. Oh my gosh, am I holding it right now? This is so heavy, guys. This is so heavy. This is it. This has 30 concealers. 30 concealers in here. This is such a huge package. So as I said, there's 30 shades that I received, and so far I took out a couple shades. I feel like I took out like 4 different shades I feel like I want to potentially work with. First of all, this is how the packaging looks. Their packaging is also always so immaculate and very, like, it feels wealthy, it looks wealthy. I really love it. It says Makiage here, and you see a little introduction of the type of color you're getting here on the side. So to jump into what I got for the gift package, so this is how inside looks, and everything is still in boxes and stuff. Alright, so everything came in this type of box, which is really nice. I love the iridescent kind of detailing. And this is the Color Boss Master Palette, and it says treat yourself. I love that they made this packaging their signature thing. Like with most of their packaging, has a mirror on the inside. It's really nice, and the colors, you're working with a lot of warm colors that it's really holiday vibes, like, honestly. So you have mattes and shimmers in here. On the card, it definitely states everything that comes in this collection: the master palette, the matte lip cream, the high shine lip glaze. States everything. Yeah, this is one of the glazes. That's the packaging for it. It says Makiage, and I love the design, that nice little gradient black. The glaze is a shiny packaging, and then with the matte one, it's a matte packaging. We have our Makiage brow pencil, and this is a very nice light brown. I'm gonna be taking my Makiage FM Flawless concealer in the shade 13.5, but I really feel like I want it to be a little lighter, so I'm gonna go in with number 9. African style, made the dance like Bob Marley, me style. You understand me? The top portion I use number 15. I go in and do the eyes first today. So I'm gonna take my number 9 concealer to base my eyelids. So I'm gonna go in with this. It says Makiage here as well, and it has all the shades listed on the back here. The shade I want to start off with is Shopaholic, and that's this shade right here, Shopaholic. I'm gonna pop this into my crease. This one is number 3 that I'm gonna be taking for my eyes.
It's fake kills.
Original Batman. Standard.
As you can see, I used the wand to create those creases. The wand, I didn't use a brush. So for the lid area, I feel as if I want to take the gold. This is the gold shade. And this is No BS.
Man, I give it to her one time, say she want it one time. Want it for me up. Man, I step in at the yard, made it girl.
I do a really thick liner.
Say she give me for me heart, say she give me for me thing so. Whine it for me girl, say she whine it for me thing so. Move your body for me thing and whine it for me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it for me thing so.
I applied lashes and this is how I'm looking. Now I'm gonna go in with the foundation. Try my best to listen to you guys, and you guys wanted me to incorporate more foundation in my videos. I'm wearing primer by the way. That's why my face has this white cast. But once the foundation has been applied, all of that will be gone. Now it's time to go in and highlight, and I want my highlight to be so popping today, so I'm taking number 13.
Your body nice, fuck up on me, always like I mean a bad man, they want to say I mean a bad man, them want to feel. Say she give me for me heart, say she give me for me thing so. Whine it for me girl, say she whine it for me thing so. Move your body for me thing and whine it for me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it for me thing so. I ain't a bad man and they want to say she ain't a bad man, they want to fail.
Now I'm going to line my waterline, and I kind of want to smoke it out a bit. The color I'm going to use to smoke this out is the same one I use for my transition area. Like the Makiage highlighters have definitely made their way onto my list of favorite highlighters. I very much use the two of these a lot since recently. This one is the baked highlighter, and this is the Material Girl, and this one is the highlighter dust, and this is Gold Sand. You tap in your setting spray, everything looks more like skin, not as dry, and when you apply your highlighter, it just looks like you're glowing from within. I love the formulas on my face. I don't know if you guys can tell. It's really nice. So I think I'm gonna take my baked highlighter. This is Material Girl, and I like to put this on right before the setting spray dries down. For the lippy, I feel like I'm gonna go super bold and jump in with the red. I just had to. I'm going to be taking my matte rager. This is 431.
System warning. Me and I go waste time. Me a stand in the city, me a can't in a baseline, live life. Can't understand why I waste time. Your body nice, fuck up on me, I waste life. I mean a bad man, they want to say.
That's it for this look today. I really hope you enjoyed it. I had fun creating this look for you guys. I definitely feel like it is the perfect holiday vibes look. I feel like it's perfect to go ahead and wear out to Christmas dinner, a nice date night during the holiday time. The red lip just added that pop. I love it. The eyes are very nice and sultry and sexy, and the pop of gold is just like festive, you know. So I really love the way it came out. The skin flawless, it's glowy. The foundation, the highlighters, the concealer, I definitely believe it's very, you know, flawless, because it blends well. It's not too thick and it's not thin, and it's so easy to blend. It doesn't take a lot of work, so I definitely give that a plus. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to put all the products to use down below in the description box, so you guys can go ahead and check it out. I'll put the link to them as well, and the link to Il Makiage website, so go ahead and check that out. Support your girl. And that's pretty much it for today's video. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe, like, share, and comment. Really appreciate the support, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, I'm Girl Petite. Bye.